the 1 foot spin. Hope you're ready for this one. For our 1 foot spin, let's start off with the basics. We are going to work on an entrance exercise. The focus of this is proper knee bend, keeping our chest upright. Our arm is tracing our leading foot. Next, let's focus on centering the spin, which means spinning in one spot and not traveling or moving around the ice. When you get into your entrance position, I like to hold and stay upright for a few revolutions before pulling into my 1 foot spin. Let's focus on the beginner 1 foot spin position. Our thighs are going to be nice and tight. The toes of the upright foot is going to be adjacent to the heel of the spinning foot. Yay, let's try our 1 foot spin. We are going to enter with crossover. Step in the middle of your circle. Start with the 2 foot spin. When we are nice and balanced, slowly lift up 1 foot to that heel toe position we talked about earlier. Woohoo, we're putting it all together. Notice I am taking 3 nice big crossovers, stepping in the middle of my circle, arms and chest are upright. I'm centering for a few rotations, then slowly pulling my arms and legs in at the same time. And of course, don't forget that beautiful exit edge. Show off that awesome spin you just did. We can enter our spin either with crossovers or an inside 3 turn. Make sure after we turn the foot, our front arm and shoulder stays in front. If our arm and shoulder swings back, we are not checking the turn. We are going to keep spinning, and it will be quite difficult to enter our 1 foot spin. For the scratch spin, an advanced version of the 1 foot spin, we are going to bring our free leg straight above the opposite leg, knee pointing up, and push down so our ankles are tight and locking, no thigh gap, and the arms are hugged tightly to our chest. A fun spin variation is to push your arms up as you are spinning. Let's try the scratch spin. Try to center for a few revolutions, then slowly pull your arms and knees in at the same time. Keep your knee pointing upwards. Don't let it point out to the side. The trickiest part of a scratch spin is centering, so be sure to focus on the basics of centering if you're having difficulties. Some common mistakes are dropping the shoulder. This will make us start traveling almost instantaneously. Another mistake is forgetting to center your spin. Here, I lift my foot up right away and spin. Just take a nice deep breath. Focus on centering your spin for a few revolutions before moving your arms and legs. Here, our foot is too high, causing us to lose balance. There is a gap between both of our legs. Lastly, make sure your arms and legs come together at the same time. For more skating tutorials, see you all next time.